My dear students, you are watching Path Maths online classes and this is Sir Gaurav Dhiman teaches you the topic straight lines. And in our topic, we have completed 17 questions from your exercise 10.2 from your NCERT book. So now in this video, we will start with the question number 18 of your exercise 10.2 and the question states that if P with coordinates A, B is the midpoint of a line segment between the axes. This is given that between the axes there is a line segment whose midpoint is given as P with coordinates A, B, and this is like this. This is your x-axis, this is your y-axis, and there is a line segment in between of the axis. Let this point is your A and this is B. Then P is the midpoint with coordinates A, B at this line segment. Now we want to show that the equation of the line is your x by a plus y by b is equal to 2. This need to be proved. और इसको प्रूव करने के लिए because the intercepts made on x-axis and the y-axis are given to you, so let the intercepts made by this line segment AB is h, 0 and 0, k. हम मान लेते हैं कि ये जो लाइन है वो x एक्सिस और y एक्सिस पर जो इंटरसेप्ट्स क्रिएट करती हैं वो हमारा h, 0 और 0, a है. Now we know very well that equation of a line in intercept form is given by x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. But here the intercepts are given as h, 0 and 0, k. So this equation will be written as x by h plus y by k is equal to 1. So this is the equation of line segment AB whose intercepts on x-axis is h, 0 and on y-axis this is 0, k. Now because h and k are the assumed by ourselves, these intercepts are taken by ourselves, so these are to replace in the form of a, b because a, b coordinates are given to you. जो आपको कोऑर्डिनेट्स गिवन है उसकी फॉर्म में आप आंसर लिख सकते हैं, बट जो आपको एज्यूम किया हुआ है उसकी फॉर्म में आप आंसर नहीं शो कर सकते हैं. सो दैट्स वाई एच एंड के आर टू बी रिप्लेस बाय ए एंड बी बाय यूजिंग योर मिड पॉइंट फॉर्मूला, क्योंकि इन दोनों के बीच में इंटरसेप्ट्स और इस पॉइंट के बीच में जो रिलेशन है वो है हमारा मिड पॉइंट रिलेशन कि P इज़ द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ ए बी. एज P इज़ योर मिड पॉइंट ऑफ ए बी, so by applying midpoint formula this implies 0 plus h upon 2 will be equal to a and k plus 0 upon 2 will be equal to b, because x1 plus x2 upon 2 will be the midpoint of the x coordinate, y1 plus y2 upon 2 will give you the midpoint of the y coordinate. So this implies h is equal to 2a and this implies k is equal to 2b. So replacing h and k by 2 and 2b in equation number 1, then the equation of line will be given by x by 2a plus y by 2b is equal to 1, implies 1 upon 2 is common, so x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे बच्चों ये बन जाएगा x by a plus y by b is equal to 2 and this was to be प्रूव. हमें ये शो करना था कि कोई भी लाइन जो कि जिसका जो इंटरसेप्ट्स का मिड पॉइंट है दैट इज P ऑफ A, B, इक्वेशन ऑफ दैट लाइन इज गिवन बाय दिस वन. सो दिस वाज टू बी क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. नाउ लेट्स डू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 एंड डियर स्टूडेंट्स दिस इज योर कंप्लीटली होमवर्क. क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 इज गिवन एज योर पॉइंट R विद कोऑर्डिनेट्स h, k divides a line segment between the axes in the ratio 1:2. So okay, let me do this question for all of you. The question is almost similar, but let me do for all of you this question. This is given that R is a point with coordinates h, k divides a line segment between the axes. Same आपको line is there, this is your x-axis, this is your y-axis and line segment is there between the axes. Let this is point A and this is B, but R is a point in between of line segment such that with coordinates h, k such that this point R divides the line segment in the ratio 1:2. This point R is dividing the line segment in the ratio 1:2. Then we need to find the equation of the line AB. हमें AB line की equation निकालनी है. No doubt, because intercepts are creating by this line segment AB, so let me assume the intercepts made by this line segment as your A, 0 and 0, B. Let the intercepts made by the line segment AB with x-axis is your A, 0 and with y-axis is your 0, B. Then we can write down the equation of line AB in intercept form as your x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. This is your equation of line segment when the line segment intersecting the x-axis and y-axis at the point A and B respectively. But this intercepts A, 0 and 0, B are assumed by ourselves. हमें खुद लेट किए हैं तो इसकी फॉर्म में आप इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन को शो नहीं कर सकते हैं. सो लेट मी रिप्लेस दिस A and B by H and K by using this section formula. A and B with H, can be relate with your section formula. So coordinates of R can be obtained by using section formula, which is given by 1 multiplied by 0 plus 2 multiplied by A upon 1 plus 2, comma, this is your 1 multiplied by B plus 2 multiplied by 0 upon sum of the ratio. So the coordinates of R will be your 2A upon 3, comma, B upon 3. These are the coordinates of the point R through your section formula. But is already given that the coordinates of the R are H, K. So these coordinates and these coordinates, they will be equal to each other. So it implies 2A by 3 will be equal to H and B by 3 will be equal to K. And this refers as A will be your 3H by 2 and B will be your 3K. Now we got the value of small a and small b in the form of H and K, and these can be replaced in equation number 1. So the equation number 1 will be your x upon 3h by 2 plus y upon 3k is equal to 1. And further this can be replaced by 2x by 3h plus y upon 3k is equal to 1, because 3 is common here. So this can be taken right side and this will give you 2x by h plus y upon k is equal to 3. You can write down the equation of line in this form as well. So this is the equation of line which is having a point R in such a way which is dividing the line segment between the axes in the ratio 1:2. So this is your question number now 19, and the last question of your exercise. Let's do. Question number 20 states that, let's read out the question number 20. Question number 20 states that using concept of the equation of a line, by using the concept of equation of a line, we need to prove that the 3 points 3, 0, -2, -2 and 8, 2 are collinear. देखिए बच्चों, कोलिनियर का कंसेप्ट इट्स वेरी वेरी फेमिलियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू. सभी बच्चे जानते हैं कोलिनियर को प्रूव करने के लिए सबसे पहले हम लोग यूज़ करते थे डिस्टेंस फार्मूला. इफ़ ए बी प्लस बी सी इज इक्वल टू ए सी अगर हमें मिलता है, इफ़ ए बी प्लस बी सी इज इक्वल टू अगर ए सी हमें मिलता है, तो हम कह सकते हैं कि पॉइंट्स विच आर लाइंग ऑन द लाइन ए बी सी आर कोलिनियर इफ़ 3 points satisfying this condition. The second step was your, if area of triangle comes out as 0, and in that case also we can say that the points are collinear. And the third case we discussed in the last video was your, if slope of AB is equal to slope of BC, in that case also we can say that the points A, B, C are collinear. 3 मेथड से हम चेक कर सकते हैं, 3 मेथड से कर चुके हैं ऑलरेडी कि कैसे पॉइंट्स कोलिनियर होते हैं या नहीं हैं. नाउ द वन मोर मेथड इज कमिंग हेयर. in which we need to use the equation of line. Line की equation को use करते हुए we have to check whether the line, or we have to prove that the line points 3, 0, -2, -2, and third point is your 8, 2 are collinear. We need to show that these 3 points are collinear, but we don't have to use any of the 3 methods. We have to use the equation of the line. We have to use the concept of equation of line. So what will we do? क्या करेंगे हम लोग? We will form a equation of a line through any of the 2 points. हम क्या करते हैं, कोई भी 2 पॉइंट से पहले इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन फॉर्म करते हैं. इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन बनने के बाद अगर जो थर्ड पॉइंट हमारा इस इक्वेशन को सेटिस्फाई करता है, तो व्हाट कैन वी से? वी कैन से दैट थर्ड पॉइंट इज लाइंग ऑन द लाइन. अगर 2 पॉइंट से मिलकर कोई भी इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन बनती है और वो इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन थर्ड पॉइंट को भी सेटिस्फाई करती है, व्हाट इट मीन्स? इट मीन्स दैट पॉइंट इज ऑल्सो लाइंग ऑन द लाइन. 2 पॉइंट से पहले इक्वेशन बना चुके हैं, थर्ड पॉइंट भी लाइन के ऊपर है. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? दीज 3 पॉइंट्स आर लाइंग ऑन द सेम लाइन, hence the points are collinear. So let me take this point first and second, that is A and B. Equation of line can be formed by using the concept of 2-point form, that is given by y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 of x minus x1. This is the equation of a line passing through the 2 points where x1, y1, x2, y2 is given to you. This is x1, this is y1, x2, y2. So equation will be your y minus y1. y1 is 0, y2 is your -2 minus 0 upon -2 minus 3 of x minus x1. x1 कौन है? Your this is 3. So this is x1, this is y1, x2, y2. Now the equation of line will be your given by y is equal to -2 upon -5 of x minus 3. So we can write down y is equal to 2 by 5 of x minus 3. Now this is the equation of line through the points A and B. Now let me check whether this point 8, 2 is lying on this line or not. For that what can we do? We have to just substitute the value of x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 2 in the given equation of line. So let me put, और उसके लिए क्या करते हैं? पुट करते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट मी रब दिस वन. सो द इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन इज y इज इक्वल टू 2 by 5 of x minus 3. So let me check the point 8, 2 is lying on this line or not. X is equal to 8, y is equal to 2. So 2 is equal to 2 upon 5 of 8 minus 3, which is your 2 is equal to 2 by 5 multiply by 5, cancel out, 2 is equal to 2. It means the point 8, 2 is satisfying the equation of line which is passing through the point 3, 0 and -2, 2. So it implies all these 3 points 3, 0, -2, -2 and 8, 2 are lying on a same line. और जो 3 पॉइंट एक लाइन पर लाई करते हैं, it means the points are collinear. So this was to be proved that by using the concept of the equation of line, we have to show that the line points are collinear. So this was the concept of your exercise 10.2. So in the next video we are going to start with the exercise 10.3, and this is completely based on the concepts whatever we have discussed in your exercise 10.2. We have discussed the various forms of the equation of line in our this video, और इसके बेस पे हम लोग now we are going to reduce the equation of line in your intercept form, slope intercept form or the normal form. So this will be discussed in the next video. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.